In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in Miro. We know that using visual elements like GIFs can significantly enhance the engagement and interactivity of your projects. Whether you're showcasing an idea, adding some humor, or simply making a point more memorable, including a GIF in your Miro board can make a big difference. Let's walk through the process together. First, let's navigate to your Miro account and get started by accessing your boards. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so, and then head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll find all your existing projects. If you haven't used Miro before, it might help to familiarize yourself with the layout. The board is essentially your digital workspace where you can collaborate, ideate, and share content. Once you're on the dashboard, open the board where you want to add a GIF. You'll find this in the list of your existing projects, or you can create a new one if you prefer to start from scratch. After opening your board, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon to access a range of options that allow you to add new content to your board. Among these options, look for the section labeled Media. This is where you can manage different types of media files that you might want to incorporate into your design or collaborative work. It's an easy and useful way to keep your content organized while working on Miro. Now, click on the Upload option. This action will enable you to bring files from your device into your board, making it convenient to enhance your workspace with visual content. After clicking on Upload, you'll be prompted with an option to choose where you'd like to upload your file from. You can either select My Device if the GIF is saved locally on your computer, or choose another option if the file is stored elsewhere. This flexibility allows you to access your media files from wherever they are stored. Finally, select the GIF file you wish to upload. Once you've done that, your GIF will begin to upload and will shortly appear on your Miro board. Voila! You should now see your GIF displayed on the board, ready for you to resize, move, or integrate into your project as you see fit. By following these simple steps, you've successfully incorporated a GIF into your Miro board, adding a dynamic visual element to your project. Feel free to experiment with different GIFs and their placements to see how they enhance your presentation or collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of adding a GIF in Miro straightforward and enjoyable.